I decided I'll try to do my first unboxing. What is it? Health ring, smart ring, tries to improve your sleep, tries to improve your life, tracks your, I guess, your heartbeat, even your warmth, stuff like that. And here we go. Very nice package, very Apple-like. And here we go. So, as you can see, there's these 3 little things on the bottom. Those are sensors. And I made sure that it fits my middle finger. And here you go. Ooh. All right. What else do we have here? Cable. So that's for the charger, and I think the charger is right here. There you go. This one goes here, and there you have a charger. Very beautiful. And then manuals, I guess. So as you buy this, you want to get yourself a sizing kit, 8 different sizes, and then you try those on. And then once you're done sizing it, then you order the actual ring. And these are the 4 different rings. I have the silver one. A lot of people got the black one too. The silk is a little bit more expensive. And then of course you have the diamond one. So after using this for 1 day, it's starting to give me some information. When I started using the OURA app right away, there wasn't actually anything that it was giving me. If I were to go for a jog and look at it after an hour, there was actually nothing in here. So it's more slow paced than most other health products, such as a watch. And this one, as soon as I put it on my hand, it starts tracking everything. With OURA, it's more about your whole day. Depending on how I spent my day, it's more about resting and health. If today I exercise a lot and I don't sleep well, then for tomorrow my readiness is gonna be less. What I want to try to do is get the readiness up to like maybe 100. I don't know. I think it's 100. That's the maximum. Of course, I get heart rate, resting heart rate, my sleep, all the sleep stages, even REM sleep. So yeah, it gets REM sleep, some like with things. The watch, it actually doesn't give me REM sleep at all, I think. And then on top of that, it gives me activity, how much, calories I've burned and so on. The OURA Ring is not that good for sports, whereas I think the Withings watch and all, sports trackers and stuff like that, those are better for sports. But when it comes to your overall health, it might be that the OURA Ring actually does a pretty good job. The next step for me is to find out if this OURA Ring actually does anything for me. I hope it pinpoints the problem area for me. I have sleeping problems, and I hope OURA can somehow lighten why I have them. And that's really why I'm quite eager to see how this thing works. I'm pretty sure Withings watch is not going to provide me any kind of help with that. But it might be that OURA is doing a little bit of a better job there. So that is the OURA Ring unboxing, and I hope this gave you a little bit of understanding what it is, what kind of a product it is, and I'm going to be checking back into how it's going to be working out for me, and if it's actually going to be providing me with any kind of benefits for using it. I don't want to be tracking all things possible just for the sake of tracking. I want to gain something, actual information out of them that can be used for improving myself. So there you have it. Have a good day. Bye.